Hi, my name's Alyssa and I'm with the Mandeville High ProStart team.
Hey, my name's Emil and I'm also with the Mandeville High ProStart team.
Today we will be showing you a delicious pumpkin spice rubbed pork loin. First, we will prep our pork loin. Pro tip, pork loins have what we call a silver skin. It's a fiber that is unable to be cooked down, so we will remove it before cooking. Now for our dry rub. You're going to grab a small bowl and combine your pumpkin spice, mustard powder, onion powder, garlic powder, a pinch of salt, your pepper, and whisk until combined. After whisking together your mix, we're going to take it and we're going to rub it on all sides of your pork loin. Once the pork has rested, we will preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Grab an oven-proof sauté pan. Toss in your olive oil. Once the oil begins to swirl, we'll add in our pork loin. Now that both sides are seared, we're going to hold them on their other sides and allow them to slightly sear about 10 seconds. In a small bowl, we're going to mix together our brown sugar, our remaining olive oil, and combine. Okay, now we're going to take our brown sugar and oil mixture and we're going to rub it on all sides of our pork loin. I like to start on the top, flip, and then apply to the sides. I like to take my extra brown sugar, make a slight line where I'm going to lay my pork loin. This ensures that the mixture is on the bottom as well as the top. The brown sugar will allow the pork loin to get nice and caramel while it bakes in the oven. Now we're going to take our pork loin and put it into a 350 degree oven for 35 minutes for medium. Now that our pork loin has rested for 10 minutes, we can slice it. I like to cut it at a slight angle, like so.